Hello, fellow traders and market enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, your ultimate guide to mastering the intricacies of the Forex markets. It's fantastic to have you with us today as we dive into the essential strategies and resources that will elevate your trading game and help you navigate the often unpredictable waves of the Forex market. Forex trading, as many of you know, is a thrilling yet challenging venture. It's driven by a complex web of economic events, geopolitical shifts, and market psychology. To truly excel, staying informed isn't just an option, it's an absolute necessity. That's why today, we're unveiling some of the most reliable and insightful Forex news sources that can give you that competitive edge in your trading journey. But let me emphasize an invaluable part of trading: deep research. Successful traders don't just glance at a chart and make a decision. They delve into a thorough analysis, exploring insights from reputable sources. And it's not just about the numbers. It's about listening to the stories those numbers tell through the lens of trusted Forex websites like Forex Factory, DailyFX, and Investing.com. Moreover, trading is a collective experience. Engaging with the community, learning from other traders, and sharing your own insights can take your trading skills to new heights. That's why subscribing to channels like ours, where we foster such growth and exchange of ideas, can be incredibly beneficial. A simple click on the subscribe button is a step closer to joining a network of informed and savvy traders. Finally, I want to address an important truth about trading. It carries inherent risks. While it offers incredible opportunities for profit, it's crucial never to invest money that you can't afford to lose. Always diversify your investments and manage your risks wisely. Thank you for joining me today. Keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, knowledge isn't just power in the world of Forex, it's your profit. Stay informed, stay sharp, and until next time, happy trading.